So the question is, what is a punch list? How do I create it? And why do I need it? So first of all, punch list is essentially the agreement at the end of the project of how you and the general contractor will define done. As you can imagine, renovations are really complicated. There's lots of moving pieces, and it's really important that you and your general contractor agree that when these items are completed, the job is finished. Now, typically on a punch list, it should only be very, very small things. 99% of the work should be done, and you're really just talking about very fine lines in the grout or a little bit of paint that seems uneven, very, very tiny things. And the best way that I have heard to produce or to create a punch list comes from our friend Steve Fanuca, the $1 Million Contractor. And what he does with his clients is he has them not talk to him for 2 weeks, right? So the project is pretty much done. 2 weeks, they do not communicate. And in that time, the homeowner has a piece of paper or a pad of paper in every room. And as you're living in the space for 2 weeks, you just write down every little thing that you notice, everything. And at the end of the 2 weeks, the client hands that to Steve. He completes all of those items, fixes everything that was on that list, and then the project is done. And the reason you need it is you need to define the done, the end. You're living in your home happily, and your renovation is now officially completed.